buttery, garlicky. Oh, the sweet plantain, oh my god. Jesus Christ, man. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making plantain garlic bread. This is the first of many long form videos. Now you've seen this on my Instagram, you might have seen this on YouTube Shorts, you might have seen it on TikTok, but I'm giving you the step-by-step guide on how to make plantain garlic bread. And literally you can make this in about 13 to 15 minutes. Super easy, so tasty, absolutely amazing. Let's give it a taste. Can't wait to try these. There goes the dishwasher. So I've got all my ingredients ready. Only need 4 ingredients for this recipe. Yeah, it's not a joke thing, man. It's so simple, but literally it's one of the best recipes I personally made myself. Once you try it once, you're going to be making this for your friends and family. It's literally doesn't take that long at all. So yeah, let's get into it. So we got some plantain. Now, this isn't obviously as ripe as you would normally use plantain. However, for this recipe, I've got ripe plantain, but you don't want it too ripe. Reason being, when you air fry it the second time, when the butter, the garlic butter we're going to put in on top of the plantain goes in, if it's too ripe, it gets too soft. I mean, you can still eat it, but it won't kind of hold its shape, and you want it to hold its shape. So it's almost like not a boat, but it's like a flat surface. Otherwise, it's just going to be really floppy, and no one likes anything floppy. So we've got some dairy-free butter. Obviously, I am plant-based, don't eat dairy, so I've got some flora. You want a really good salt. I can't remember the brand, but it's one of them flaky, salty things there. I haven't got all the ingredients out, I lied to you. I need to get garlic. Obviously, we're making garlic bread using plantain. So garlic and plantain are the 2 main ingredients. Let's make sure we've got some garlic. Yep, some fresh garlic, flat leaf, fresh parsley as well. Right, so let's get cooking. Instead of bread, we're using sweet, ripe yellow plantains. Incredible flavour, loads of health benefits, absolutely sick. Plantains are naturally gluten-free, high in fibre, great for the gut, packed with vitamins that support overall health kind of things, like vitamin A, great for eye health and immune system, vitamin C, really powerful antioxidant, boosts your immune system, and vitamin B6, which is great for brain function and helps with your mood, also helps with metabolism, and plantains are packed with potassium as well. Great for regulating like your blood pressure, support muscle function, keeps you hydrated. So yeah, anyway, enough of the boring stuff. For this recipe, using these plantains, they're naturally sweet, they're softer, great base for this garlic bread. Gives it an amazing texture. We're going to pop this into the air fryer for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, that's a lot of garlic, but quick question, can you ever have too much garlic? Let me know in the comments, and while you're here, if you're still watching, make sure you like, subscribe. I'm going to be dropping 2 recipes every single week for you guys. We're going to add in our finely chopped garlic. We're going to use some flat leaf parsley, one of my favourite herbs. I'm going to add that in as well, some dried oregano and some flaky sea salt. So I'm dairy free, so instead of using normal cow's milk and butter, I'm using this flora plant salted butter. It's 100% plant-based, which means no dairy. So why am I using plantain instead of garlic bread? Traditionally, garlic bread is used mainly in refined white flour, which lacks nutrients, can cause blood sugar spikes. However, plantains, on the other hand, are a great source of complex carbohydrates. Squash them down. We'll cut them in half first, squash them, and then put them back in the air fryer once coated with our mixture. You're looking for gluten-free, fibre-rich, nutrient-dense alternative. Plantains are a great choice. So now, if you've never cooked with plantain before, it's not something you can just throw into the air fryer or in a frying pan and just leave it for like more than 10 minutes. So always double check. It's not even about the timing, it's just that once it's cooked, it can go from cooked to completely cremated or burnt in seconds. So I set that for 3 minutes, but I'm still gonna check before. Oh my god, I wish you could smell the aromas in this kitchen. The parsley and the oregano, the sweetness from the plantain, and just the butter, the garlicky. Oh, can't wait. I'm gonna put it in for another minute or so because I really want the flavors to infuse into the plantain. I want them to seep in, so every bite has just got so much flavor in it. Yeah, so far 10 minutes in the air fryer, another 3 minutes. We're gonna do another 2 minutes. That's 15 in total. I said under 20 minutes. So back on again. I mean, you don't have to use a Ninja. You can use any air fryer if you want. You can use the oven. You don't need to use an air fryer either. So yeah, let's get eating. It's not a joke thing, guys. It's nearly ready. 2 minutes. Let's get a plate. And the result is a crispy, buttery, garlicky bite. Ooh, slight sweetness from the plantain. Absolutely irresistible. So good. So yeah, step by step guide, how to make the perfect plantain garlic bread. Most of you guys have never tried this before. Super easy. Just need to get yourself some plantain. Guys, this is my channel, Daddy Long Legs. Make sure you share it with a friend or family member who you think would enjoy some of the food coming on this channel. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.